Hey y'all, what's up? How you doing? I hope you're good, great, fantaberifical. I'm just doing a quick intro here to let you guys know that I have not forgotten about the 10K special video. It's coming! There's a giveaway involved, there's a little bit of an announcement involved, so it's taking a lot longer than expected, but trust me guys, it will be coming. For now, we will continue with our Sunday videos. It's Quickie time. And that's all I'm gonna say. See you in the end. Bye! Hey, post-editing Sam here. Hey, how you doing? I had to come on real quick, guys, because as I'm sitting here editing this video, the shakiness of this camera has me going nuts. And so I can only imagine that those of you watching are also thoroughly annoyed. I'm so sorry about the shakiness, guys. I hope you're still enjoying the video, and I will see you in the end. Bye! Alright guys, that is it. I really love how this one turned out today. I'm loving the colors. I know on camera you're not going to see this fluorescent pink, but it's so bright and beautiful. Just another random abstract quickie collage. This one I filled more of the page because usually lately I've been doing a lot of negative space, which I love, but today I felt like going a little messy. I hope you guys enjoyed this today, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye!